Here we are. Auntie's here.
So the camera isn't even here.
Yeah. So with the quick app, you can remove the distortion and bring it back natively to 4:3.
Okay.
It's a crazy workflow. Don't ask me why they do it like that, but it's a powerful setting. But it's something that, you know, if you really want to get that 4K super slow motion, you can get it.
And also, I'd like to thank our ever supportive and ever awesome GoPro family members. You know, we have here, of course, Angie Mead, the ever awesome and ever beautiful Janina. We have Angelo Biker dude over here. You know, Mark Nelson. My name is Angie Luzon, and I'm the Senior Marketing Officer of Motivate Incorporated.
How are you guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? Alright, so without further ado, I'd like to kickstart the presentation with a video from a very special person.
Oh, hey, what's happening, everybody? This is Big Woman, GoPro founder and CEO, coming to you live. Well, sort of, from our hero, 12 Black Rocks Dream. I'm going to hand it over to my good friend, Stalker, and our VP of product, Pablo Lima. I want to tell you a story about a very small little company that set out to build wrist cameras for surfers. I want to tell you about GoPro.
Have you ever free dove yet?
No, that's something else in my bucket list.
You're motorsports.
Yes,
Yes. She's
water and wheels. Oh, I like that. Water.
Yeah. That's a good YouTube name, Water and Wheels.
I got caught.
I'll unbox it later.
Yeah, message you some details.
Thank you.
Thank you, Angie. Super appreciate it. Oh.
Thank you so much.
Okay. I'll see you tomorrow night.
Yeah, I think I gotta go.
Okay. Good to see you.
See you
We're gonna do something crazy and black out. And
See you next year, I guess.
See you next year. I don't know.
We are running out. Thank you so much to GoPro Philippines. Love you guys. What do we have here? Some merch. Ooh, yes. Thank you so much to GoPro Philippines for always sending me their new units, and I'm excited to try this out. The tech specs from the review a while ago were so insane. I really want to look forward to trying out the HDR video, which means we don't need to expose to the outside and the inside of the car anymore. It basically takes 3 different videos and layers it over each other so that you can get a super clear picture with vibrant colors. They have a new tagline also, it's fuel your fun. So interesting that they also gave me the new max lens mod, which is that one right here. And there's a new 1/4-inch thread screw right underneath, which allows you to do screw it on the tripods now. And then the new max lens mod is a 2.0, which is a thinner profile for an ultra wide angle view. The new casing has these speckles on it. I will show you. The speckles basically allow you to see the camera body and tell that it's a Hero 12 black over the Hero 11, which is just a black case. Now the form and function of the case is the same, so you can use all your accessories, media mods, and other accessories that you might have already for the 11 onto the 12. This is the new battery, and it's supposed to be able to withstand -30 Celsius of temperature, so that if you take it snowboarding. But what we've learned when we go snowboarding is we basically either, as soon as we leave the chalet, we keep the camera on so it's warm, or we keep it close to our body just to keep it warm, so that by the time we need it, it's functioning. Because we've had moments where we're using it and we turn it off for a long time and it freezes over, and then all of a sudden it's the dead battery. Thank you so much again to GoPro Philippines. I'm excited to put this camera through its paces. Testing the GoPro Hero 12. Have it on a selfie stick and basically just playing with it today. We have a short task today to get the air suspension checked on the Ferrari 458 Speciale. I don't have any microphone on the camera. This is the natural microphone of it. I'm trying the new full frame feature so that we can edit both vertical stories and also horizontal. How's the cold start sound? Can you hear my voice over the exhaust? Nice thing with the GoPro is you can get some interesting angles. Definitely need to try the headphone Bluetooth connection with the camera.